National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8 a.m. At 7:17 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Romeoville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Naperville, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Romeoville, Plainfield, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, Roseland, South Shore, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, and Park Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for